The pharmaceutical industry is at the heart of healthcare, delivering life-saving medications to millions. But behind every pill is a complex system that needs to work seamlessly. That's where ERP software steps in. ERP software, or enterprise resource planning, is like the central nervous system for pharmaceutical companies. It connects every part of the business, from research and development to production, inventory, and distribution, into one streamlined system. In pharmaceuticals, precision and compliance are critical. ERP software ensures that every process is tracked, every batch is recorded, and every regulation is met. It helps companies manage the entire life cycle of a product, from the lab to the patient, with complete transparency. So, what makes ERP software indispensable? It improves efficiency by automating routine tasks, reduces costs by optimizing resources, and enhances decision-making with real-time data. For pharmaceutical companies, this means better control over production, more accurate forecasting, and faster time to market. Companies around the world are already seeing the benefits of ERP software. By integrating their operations, they've been able to reduce waste, improve product quality, and ensure that they're always compliant with industry regulations. In a world where health is everything, the pharmaceutical industry can't afford to rely on outdated systems. Absolute ERP is the key to staying competitive, compliant, and ready for the future. Join Absolute ERP, and let's explore the future of healthcare together.